Hi, I'm Lori.
I'm Rick.
We are Here We Go Again Camping. Guys, thanks for joining us. Right here, we're going to show you a 2023 Solis 59 PX by Winnebago.
Wow, good job.
Got it. Nailed it.
Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up if you like it, and hit that notification bell so you can get our upcoming videos. But stay tuned. All right, so here's the overview of this Class B. Lori and I have always seen these on the road, and we've always been kind of fascinated with the people that have these.
And how they manage in a small area, how it's laid out. I'm kind of jealous with how it probably rides, because I'm sure it rides pretty smoothly.
Yeah.
But here we go. Here's the back of it. I love that the double doors come open. Easy access. I like the netting, so it's an indoor-outdoor space, because you really don't have a lot of space in it.
No, I mean, we've never toured one. We've never actually looked inside of one of these, and I have to say, I'm impressed that they fit so much into a small area.
Yes, and what I think is really cool too is the little pop-up loft. I call it a loft. I'm not sure what it's called, but I think that's pretty neat for kids.
Yes, and basically this sleeps four, right? So you had 4 seat belts. There's the driver, passenger, and then you had 2 back passengers that you'll see later. But
yes,
so it sleeps 4.
I would think the loft would sleep 2 small kids.
Yes, I mean, and you'll see what we're talking about, because our youngest child gets up in it and is laying and actually trying it out.
Yes, these 2 seats here actually swivel, which is fantastic. Gives you extra sitting area, and that's pretty nice. Here's the loft, the stairway to the loft, and there he is. He always has to go up the ladder. So I mean, it went deeper back. Of course, you lose the roof, the height of the roof, but it's doable.
It would be. I think kids would love sleeping up there.
I agree.
Adult, maybe not.
Maybe not for adults, but
yeah, I mean, when you're talking, Lori was trying to see how the table and the Murphy bed works. I mean, to me, this would be comfortable driving. I mean, kids would hate to sit. Our kids would hate to sit that close to each other, but you do have your Murphy bed. You've got a kitchen. I thought there was a microwave.
I think there is. Now, see, there's a little table, and I did this wrong, so I had to go back and redo it, because the table is not supposed to be down at the same time as the Murphy bed.
Right.
But there's an actual eating area back there, because you have the seat, there's like a bench seat to the left, and the table.
Yeah, but I was a little impressed with the fact that, you've got this little camper van, but you still have a shower and a toilet.
Yeah.
I think it's very doable. I'm really shocked at the price of these things.
Yes, when you think of the size, you think of a smaller price tag, but it is not the case.
No.
Not the case at all. I'm surprised there's actual towing capacity, up to 3,500 pounds towing. So if you want to take, golf cart, 4-wheeler, whatever, a car.
Right.
The sink, however, the kitchen sink is the only sink you got. You don't have a bathroom sink. They do have 2 burners, which is fantastic. So that's a plus because of cooking. Storage is minimal because, of course, the size, but they do have storage space.
Yeah, most of these that I remember seeing on the road are the ones that they don't necessarily tow a vehicle, but they've got a hitch and they're using it for storage for extra, maybe a tin or whatever you're taking to camp with you. But here's a shower. You also have your hanger there for clothes.
Or a shower curtain.
Or a shower curtain, yeah.
I think that's a shower curtain hanger.
I really don't know how this would work. I'd be interested to see how people maximize their space when they're actually using these things, because just like us in our Class C, we think we don't have storage space, but then you sit there and you look at this and you're like, man, people have to be really creative to actually use this and go on long trips, especially with the family.
I mean, I don't see how this could be a family vehicle. I would opt to go bigger. I mean, especially with the price tag. I would go bigger.
Yeah, but
Bigger for the price. Not saying anything about this because I think this is a cute little camper or RV, but just for a family of 5 and with 3 dogs, there's no way we could do this.
Yeah, I would think that this one, for me, I'm sitting there thinking, if I'm 70, I might be interested in this, or if I'm in my 20s,
on my own,
just starting out with just getting married and we're doing this lifestyle, that this would be for me.
Yeah, I can see that because of the size of it. If you're afraid of driving a bigger RV, this is perfect because it's like a van. I mean, it's a van.
Yeah, I think the one thing that I would not like about this would be the whole idea of going to a campground, not towing another vehicle, hooking everything up, wanting to go sightseeing, and then disconnecting everything and then taking this with you.
Yes.
But I mean, to me, it would be a headache, but I am sure people do it and they don't even think twice about it.
But at the same time, it's kind of fantastic because if you go to an amusement park or if you go on a hike, you have everything there. So you can go get your refreshments, your food, you have the generator. You've got your whole, you don't have to eat out. It's right there.
Everywhere you go, I guess.
You're kind of saving money on that too. So there's pluses and minuses to both.
Yeah,
I had an issue with the trundle bed just because I didn't know how to do it. You have to actually get to the very end of it before you lay it down because I was getting caught up in it.
But I think what you said is this is a reminder that no matter what camper, motorhome that you have, there are pluses and minuses to each one of them, and it just really depends on the layout and the functionality of storage space.
And on what you actually need, because what you need is not necessarily what someone else needs. So this might be perfect for you if this is something that you are looking for.
Yeah, but it was fun to actually look at it.
It was.
It kind of, like I say, now I'm thinking we're thankful with the lack of space we have.
Yeah.
Hi campers, thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate all the support.
And guys, if you want to check out some other videos of ours, click up here. And if you want to become a subscriber, which I hope you will, click down here.
Yeah, also you can check out our apparel shop by clicking over here. But until next time,
safe travels and God bless.